Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add a voice note on the Google Sheets. So if you have a shared spreadsheet or a spreadsheet where you are the there are multiple users using the file and you want to comment on something on the others projects like this. For example, you want to leave a comment but you want to convey something using a voice note. You can just follow the steps right here. So what you need to do is install an extension, a voice note extension in the Google Sheet. So go to the extension, add-ons, and tap on add-ons, get add-ons, and then the Google Workspace Marketplace will be open. So you can just click on the search column, then just type in voice notes in here as the keyword, click on enter, and then there will be this voice note for Google Docs. Okay, so this is the add-on, so you can record voice notes within Google Docs, Sheets, Slides, and Forms. So you can avoid miscommunication and give more effective feedback faster. So as I said before, you want to leave a comment or give feedback, you can use this voice note instead of write your command. You can use voice notes. So let's just hit on install first. Choose your Google account. Tap on continue. And then scroll down and tap on allow. So now the apps will be installing. Let's just wait until it finishes. Okay, so now it has been installed. You can just close this first and close the marketplace. So the voice note extension will automatically open just like this. Voice note for Google Docs. So you can just record a voice note for Docs. You can just hit on this red button. Okay, so apparently you need to log into your Google account again before you can use the voice note apps. So just choose your email account and tap on continue. Okay, so now you can tap to record. Hello. Hi guys, so this is how you can leave a comment using voice note on the Google Sheets. Okay, after you are done, you can just tap on save. Now it will be processing. So this is the recording. You can just copy the link in here and then paste it anywhere. So let's just close this, or I'm going to just paste it here. You can close this. So your partner or your colleague just need to click on the link in here to hear the voice note that you leave. Okay, they can just play it, and they can also replay to message. So that's how you can leave a voice note on the Google Sheets. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks.